I love that this device can connect to CarPlay and AutoPlay, so you can use with iPhone or Android. And it also has voice recognition.
Hey Google, turn off Google Maps.
So the screen itself can show you navigation, which I love, so you can have it right there for you. It's got music that you can connect to using a Bluetooth headset. And you have all these apps that you can access. And here we have the remote control. So the top button is the power button, the call button, and home page. So you can easily access it. And to turn it off, all you do is press the button for 10 seconds. And it will turn off the screen. We really love it. It's great and easy to install, and it's very convenient to have while driving and busy. This is the handlebar, and it is size adjustable, so you can adjust it to the size of your handlebars. And all you do to install the mounting clip is screw it in. And to install the screen, all you do is screw it into place there. And what's great is it's easy to take apart to take with you. It's got the quick release here if you need to go somewhere, so it's anti-theft. So I love that about that. I was sent this motorcycle smart screen for review, and as you can see, it is very well protected. Comes packaged very well to protect the actual screen, and all of the parts are here on the inside, everything that you will need to connect it, and the directions. This kit comes with everything that you will need. Comes with the bracket to attach to the actual motorcycle, the wired remote key, the actual display, power cable, a user manual, and all the tools that you would need to